So we're down on the Great Ocean Road. We're here in the back of the Yachtways. Mr. Piek and Maud have come over from Thailand with some of their family purely to launch our product and to have a look at what we've got to offer here in the country. Mr. Piek has been in the industry for over 40 years. In actual fact, he was the first one to manufacture a bull bar in Thailand. We're very, very, very lucky to be partnered up with the guys here with Jungle 4x4 in Australia. All of our shops hold the products now and all of them be selling it. We've got a huge range of bars to choose from. We've got the sports bar, which has no loop on the top, and then we've got the deluxe bar, which have got your high loops to protect the top of your headlights and your bonnet. We've got everything from your Rangers all the way through to your typical farm vehicle, your 79 series cruisers, to your 100 series, through to your Hilux, to your BT50s, whole range to choose from. We're very excited to get the two boys behind the wheel today and get them onto some of these tracks up here behind us and to see what they think of some of the Australia Terra Firma that we've got. I was over in Thailand earlier this year to visit the factory with the guys and go through some of their production, some of the engineering. They've got a huge team of engineers and production staff on the floor. Every single car is brought from around the world and it's taken into the factory. It's stripped down. The engineering of the bar is built all around the car. They fit it there. We do all the instructions. We take all the photos and all the steps to ensure that the bar matches what we have here in Australia. Maud, how many staff have you got in Thailand?
We have 200 staff in the factory. We have 15 engineers for the product development. We have the good quality, good standard to make the bull bar and prove quality.
So you've got a full quality control team, which I've seen myself. You've got a team of welders and you've also got robotic welding as well.
That's right, Kamai.
So with a premium quality bar that we've brought in from Thailand with our partners, the Jungle 4x4 bar has some fantastic features that feature on the majority of bars across Australia, which is what we need them to do. We've got our aerial masts. We've got two on this particular bar. We've got our built-in winch cradle, so it's winch compatible straight away. We've got our mounting for our spotlights. We've got our recovery points underneath, and we've got our bash plate protection. The main bash plate protection at the front of the bar is purely just to stop the mud, the dirt, and all the stuff that's been thrown up underneath the bar. So that's closed off at the front. You can also get some underbody protection for your vehicle, which will also help with any of the stones and the ruts that you go through. Make sure you're not hitting rocks off your diffs and your gearboxes and your transfer cases. The bull bar itself on this vehicle also has the scrub bars on the side. Again, your heavy rut work where you're inside in ruts, you don't want to be denting panels. The scrub bars are there designed to take that. Also designed for the wildlife that step out in front of our vehicles in Australia at 100 kilometers an hour. Again, you don't want them impacting. The side steps are integrated into the scrub bar. That gives you the full side protection and it gives you a fair bit of rundown as you're coming down a track. You've got a little bit to protect your sills and you've got a bit to protect the side of the car as well. It'll hit the step before it'll hopefully hit the side of your car. The most important thing about the testing and the airbag compatibility is to ensure that this vehicle doesn't alter all the engineering that's gone into it by the manufacturer to keep you safe as the occupant. Inside the actual vehicle, your airbags are meant to deploy when you're in an accident. If you have a bull bar that hasn't been tested, there is a chance or an opportunity that's not going to happen. We've tested it here in Australia, got it engineered, got it tested to make sure it doesn't affect the ability of the vehicle to deploy the safety devices. The steel construction of the bull bar, again, we're using high quality steel. As you can see in the tube, we've gone for a 63.5 thickness. The diameter in that purely is about giving you a little bit more protection. Aesthetically, it looks better. We feel that the bigger tube matches the vehicle, matches the lines and gives that bit more of a robust, tougher feel to the vehicle is what most of the vehicles are going for these days. They're looking for that stronger, beefier look. As you can see on the vehicle itself, it follows all the nice contours of the vehicle. It doesn't stand out as being something that's ridiculous and doesn't fit with the vehicle. All the vehicles that we design bull bars for are all taken into Thailand. The vehicle is stripped down, the engineers design it around the vehicle, they design it around the safety, and they make sure it's functional, practical, and that it works.